How to find meme coins before they explode. Full beginner guide. All right, let's talk about the ultimate crypto treasure hunt. Finding the next big Memecoin before it explodes. We've all seen the stories of people turning a small investment into a fortune, but how do they actually do it? Today, we're giving you a full guide on how to research and spot potential meme coins early. Let's start the hunt. Rule number 1. Be a social detective. The first rule is to become a social media detective. Memecoins are powered by community and hype. You need to be where the early discussions are happening. Follow popular crypto influencers and check their recommendations, but be wary of paid promotions. Join Telegram and Discord groups for upcoming projects, and keep an eye on subreddits like r/cryptomoonshots. Look for organic, genuine excitement in a fast-growing community, not just generic hype. Rule number 2. Analyze the on-chain data. The second rule is to dive into the numbers. You need to look at the on-chain data, and for that, you'll need tools like DEX tools or CoinGecko. Here's what to check. Liquidity. A healthy liquidity pool ensures you can buy and sell without massive price swings. If the liquidity is low, it's a huge red flag for a scam. Number of holders. A high and growing number of holders is a great sign of genuine interest and a well-distributed token. Whale activity. Use a whale tracker to see what big, smart money wallets are doing. If you see a lot of buying, it might be a positive sign. But be careful, a large dump can also crash the price. Rule number 3. The DYOR checklist. Before you invest, do a final check with your DYOR checklist. Look for a verified smart contract, a clear and honest roadmap, even for a Memecoin, and locked liquidity. If the team is anonymous and the promises are too good to be true, it's best to walk away. This is a high-risk game, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Finding the next big Memecoin is all about combining research with discipline. By following these rules, you can put yourself in a better position to find those hidden gems. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more essential crypto insights. What's your top tip for finding new coins? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.